Okay, so I heated it up. Let's see here if we can figure out where we're at there. There you go, you can see it there. I heated that line coming out of the dirt up, just pushed that fitting right in there. It's got a barb fitting on it. Hose is just a tad long. I'll cut it where I want it, heat that hose up and squeeze the head on it, and I'm done. Just fill in the dirt. Okay, there we have it. It's hard to see what I got going on. The reflection is something terrible on my phone. It just pushes on. It's all it needs to be done. Now let's hope. Thanks, city crew. Let's hope that's the only break. There it is.